Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find or see photos or videos that we have added to the favorite list on Instagram. Alright, so for instance, if you want to favorite someone's post on Instagram, all you have to do is tap on the favorite icon. Alright, so for instance, tap on favorite icon right here. So it means you have saved it as favorite. Alright, how do you find the saved post? You can go to your profile and select three lines in the top right corner. Select save it. Tap on it. So you can find it here. Just click here. Alright, if you want to remove it from favorite, all you have to do is select the post and tap on the favorite icon right here. Go back. So the post has been removed. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.